Energy is changing. Electrification is increasing. Utility rates continue to climb. But now you can take control of your energy with SolarEdge Home. This smart energy ecosystem produces more power in more places than ever before. It starts with the SolarEdge Power Optimizers, designed to get maximum energy from your panels. With this unique DC-coupled technology that minimizes power conversion, you gain more energy to power your home. The SolarEdge Home Battery offers industry-leading efficiency, so you can use more of the energy you produce. Plus, excess energy is stored automatically in your battery to avoid waste. The brains of the ecosystem is the SolarEdge Home Hub Inverter, which intelligently connects and manages the entire system day and night. Best of all, you control it all from the My SolarEdge app, the only app you need to program, schedule, and track energy performance for every panel, appliance, and room in your house. And with the SolarEdge Home EV Charger, you'll save money by charging your vehicles on solar during the day and low-rate grid power at night. Power outages? No worries. Your SolarEdge Home automatically switches to backup power when the grid goes down. A new day is about to begin with a new way to control your energy. Welcome to SolarEdge Home.